It's the 454 Long Wheelbase Chevrolet. I fuck around and put a rear end in this motherfucker. Poly traction. 454 with the 850. She ready. She a little dirty. But anyway, come to find out, I need a fucking transmission. So about a 400. Been rebuilt. I just gotta put the bitch in. Cause the 350 just ain't holding up. I mean, I'm pretty sure everybody know how to take a drag shaft out. Half in it, 7/16. I usually use a drill, but I'm gonna do all that today. So lock the tires. Sometimes you just usually just take one out, leave it in. That'll work the same way. Let me get something. Make sure you block the tires. Put the bolts and stuff somewhere where you can find them. I usually put mine by the tire or in a bucket or some shit. Might need a screwdriver or something, pry bar. You got it. Ain't got it. You got to improvise. Yep. I have a 454 in here, probably like a 96 model, 6 gen. And I got a 350 hooked up to it. That 350 just can't stand that power. So I'm gonna put me a 400 in it and see what that do. That's how you take your drag shaft out, people. I don't know if the transmission fluid will come out or not. It is. God damn it. Transmission fluid black as hell. You know why? Cause it's burnt up. Clutch is fucked up. Got to be. Or either the house look like a moon there. Well, people, that's how you take a drag shaft out. Video to be continued. Hopefully I'll put my transmission in and have it running by